Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Norman Abreu. I'm 35 years old and I live in the city of Bogota. About the expectations for this course, I want to learn how to develop strategies to teach English for specific purposes. I want to be able to develop materials, activities, didactic activities, to learn about strategies and education theory that can help me develop better activities and better materials for my students. I want to be able to identify my students' specific needs so that I can develop a course for them. For instance, what if someone wants to learn English just to be able to speak to natives while traveling to an English-speaking country? Then the course will be oriented towards that. The course won't be about reading comprehension or writing. It will be focusing on basic communication. Or what if a person wants to learn business English because it's a businessman or someone who works for an important company and is constantly working and needs to communicate with executives of other companies and to deal with other companies. So it is important for that person to learn a specific English for businesses. So it is important to establish the needs of the students to develop a course. And I think that's what we're gonna do in this course, or I hope that's what I learn in this course, how to identify the needs of my students and to create a set of activities, goals, materials, and put them in a syllabus, basically designing a course for them. So those are the expectations I have for this course. In the past, I have taken courses about materials designing, evaluation and assessment activities, also pedagogy, learning theory, and I enjoyed myself very much developing activities and didactic material for English teaching, because even though it was a lot of work, I got to do lots of things. I had to be creative. I had to, use images and music and sound. I had to speak. I had to be a graphic designer basically, and I had to use these computer tools and web tools. Nowadays, it is easy for us teachers to develop materials with all the tools available on the internet, but even so, it was a lot of work. So I had a lot of fun doing that, and I hope in this course we get to do that again. Although in this time, I think we'll cover other things, and it's going to be specifically about developing like a syllabus for teaching English in a specific context. So that's what I wanted to talk about. I love learning English, and I can also use the strategies and methodologies I learned in this course to help me identify my own needs and to help me learn and to allow me to improve the specific skills that I need to improve. So I guess I can use all I learned in this course for my own learning process. So thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good night.